So yan ang CN Tower, and I am here at Harborfront Center. So we will be having a boat tour doon sa Toronto Islands. At iyon yung sasakyan namin paparating na. And we are still waiting here.
5 minutes later.
Gusto ko sa pinakataas doon sa may Canadian flag. Hi. Sana ganito rin sa Manila Bay sa Philippines. Ang ganda dito, ang linis, ang sarap ng hangin. So sabi ng tour guide, ito daw yung Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport. So ito ay isang regional airport na malapit doon sa downtown. Maraming mga island parks dito sa Toronto Islands at iyon yung sikat na Center Island Bridge. Nililibot ko itong baba ng boat, so walang tao dito, lahat nagsisiksikan sa 3rd floor. So ito tour ko kayo sa CR nila. Ito yung CR sa baba, medyo luma na. So ito yung pinakaloob ng boat, halos walang tao dito. Mas maganda nga naman kasi sa labas.
The Harborfront Revitalization Project is all coming home to the 2 easternmost islands of Ward and Alderstart, and the Harborfront Center purchased swaths of land along the waterfront in order to make disparity in type of architecture. Just because it used to be along the waterfront to lose, it doesn't have any unnatural or toxic byproducts during it.
Sobrang ganda ng view dito ng Toronto skyline.
You go hang out there with those umbrellas and the trees, you can understand their inspiration. And I find that it's a lovely place to sit with a cool drink in hand, sitting on their chairs and enjoying it, just staring out at the water on a sunny day. I'm always happy to lose to at least over 10.
Soon after.
So we will grab some food here at Sobeys. So ito na yung lunch namin sa self-serve hot bar. Ito na yung affordable food dito sa Toronto downtown. Pag sa labas kasi medyo pricey, so kung gusto mo ng murang food, dito ka sa Sobeys. So, pwedeng kumuha ng kahit anong food, basta ang bayad dito is per weight. So, kanya-kanyang diskarte na lang. So, may pad thai dito at ibang Asian foods. May rice din, may broccoli. Mukhang masasarap.
Thank you so much sa panonood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!